There is a difference between your intellectual range and your market position. And if you're a thinker, an expertise led founder, a coach, or a thought leader, you need to hear this. Hey there, I'm Faith Ohio, cultural futurist, strategic advisor, and executive director at FO Vision Studio, where we support builders to translate expertise to enterprise and turn their vision into scalable ventures. One of the biggest challenges I see with expertise led builders is they believe that streamlining their positioning to a single core idea somehow dilutes their work. That if they choose one idea to be known for, they are trapping themselves within a traditional niche, which really is the fear of positioning as less than their actual intellectual capacity. Now, don't get me wrong, this fear is genuine because your business is built around your thinking, your ideas, your experiences, your range, your expertise. The mistake, though, is confusing intellectual range with market position. And here's what I mean: your intellectual range is everything that you know. It's your ability to think across strategy, philosophy, psychology, branding, leadership, culture, systems, execution, profitability, innovation, all of that stuff, and whatever else your work actually touches or your curiosity really extends to. Now, that's your house. Your market position, on the other hand, is simply the front door. It's the gateway, it's the access point, it's the idea people walk through to discover everything else that you know. I want you to think about any expert or thought leader that you admire. Most of them can speak intelligently on 10 or 20 different topics, but they are remembered specifically for one, not because they only know one thing, but because they have precisely chosen one doorway into their body of work. That's what makes them memorable. So the goal isn't to become one dimensional or niche constrained. The goal is actually to become unmistakable. It is to be precise enough that you are building signal rather than building noise. So here's the thing: you don't need to shrink your expertise to fit a predefined niche, but you do need to organize it so your signal is precise enough to cut into the market and pull your people in. I mean, imagine walking into a store without any direction where to begin, where every shelf is piled high with a random assortment of goods. Different things are stacked on each other. You wouldn't know where to look. You wouldn't even know if the place was meant for you. So you'd likely turn around and walk right back out. That is what your prospective client experience when your marketing tries to showcase the entire house all at once. Now, my point is your market doesn't need to see everything that's inside your house. They just need to know what door specifically they need to walk through.